Welcome to our session Python for Beginners. Myself Vishab Sood. I am Python as well as C Sharp programmer working on programming languages from last 12 years and has a huge passion for writing script using Python, PowerShell as well as C Sharp. I also worked on .NET for Windows, web as well as mobile apps. Also created one Windows Store app using .NET technologies. Since I'm working on Python, so I love to do automation using Python, where we use Selenium WebDriver classes to automate the web UIs. Guys, I'm providing my LinkedIn as well as YouTube address. Please visit both the addresses and leave your valuable comments there. What is agenda for today's session? We will introduce ourselves to Python. We will go for Python uses, how we can install Python, and various IDEs, integrated development environments for Python. What is Python is? Friends, I am using Python from a long time and I can say that Python is very powerful language and Python organization is working hard to make it more robust. That's why I can say that Python is an excellent language for learning because of its human friendly nature, which helps in writing elegant code. The basic language is fairly simple and therefore easy to remember. Because of their syntax as well as the inbuilt function name, it is very easy to remember. That's why for writing complex scripts as well as to accomplish complex tasks, Python is one of the most lovable programming language. Another main feature is that it has the extensive library of predefined function. It can do artificial intelligence, it can automate the web screens, it can integrate with hardware, it can integrate with Office 365 or various Office concepts. How it can do because of its extensive library of predefined functions. We just need to include that functions as well as the package, and rest Python will do internally to make our task easy. So what are the basic uses of Python programming language in today's world? There are multiple areas where Python is being used. For this session, I have just collected some of the main areas there we can say Python is contributing in a large manner. So these areas are web application development, artificial intelligence, web scraping, data science, game development, as well as the automations. Whenever we are working on any language, the first question comes in mind that whether programming language is free or it is licensed. So I can easily say and proudly say that Python is open source as well as free. That means we don't need any license or don't we need to pay the money in order to use Python programming language. And that is the basic and the main advantage, that everyone can use this programming language to automate as well as to accomplish complex tasks on the daily requirements. How we can get the Python programming environment on our machine for Windows as well as for Mac. For both operating systems as well as for Linux, we have same URL, that is python.org. You can visit this website, you can get download link, and after clicking on that download link, you can get the latest version of tested version we can say of Python. So let me navigate to web. This is the official Python org site, and if I click on download, I can say I can have a Python latest version. While recording this video, it was Python 3.96, but after 2 or 3 months, you can get the higher version, but the tested one. Once you have Python on your machine, after installing it, you can type Python here on Windows machine, and here you can get the Python integrated development environment. If I click on this environment, I can navigate to Python environment. This is the Python editor, and if I type a simple syntax, you can see it is working. So print is the inbuilt function to print anything on the screen. So here we can say we have a Python 3.7.5 and we can write a script here. I am closing it. Moving back to our slides, Anaconda is the main software that is being used for writing Python scripts or in order to get IDE for Python. And how we can get the Anaconda software? You can go to official Anaconda site. Here you can get for Windows, Mac OS as well as Linux. As per your machine configuration, you can get the various installer on your machine. Once you have an installer on your machine and you install Anaconda, you can go to Anaconda Navigator, and after clicking on Anaconda Navigator, you can get this screen. And in this screen, we can have multiple IDE for Python, and it's your choice to use. Mostly Jupyter Notebook as well as VS Code as well as Spyder is mostly used, but again it depends upon your choice as well as you're comfortable with any of the IDE environment. But Anaconda is the main integrated environment to provide all-in-one stuff. So if I go to Spyder and I click on launch, I will get this editor screen for Python. And you can see if I'm writing a code, and if I click on welcome to Python, I have a outprint function of welcome to Python. So in that way, we can get various IDEs for Anaconda. Moving back to our slides, so I can say Anaconda for Windows, Anaconda for Mac, and this is the official web URL to download Anaconda. Either for it is Windows, either for it is Mac, either for it is Linux. So friends, we are ending our session here where we gone through the small introduction of Python, how we can install Python, how we can get the latest version of Python, as well as various areas where we can use Python. In the beginning of this session, I mentioned my LinkedIn as well as YouTube channel links. Again, I am mentioning it. Go through these URLs and leave your valuable feedback on these links as well as on this YouTube channel. Before ending this session, I will just want to highlight the takeaways. Friends, Python is very excellent language and it is very easy to learn. So go for it, download, it is free. Download the various IDs and you can start working on Python. Python is very human friendly syntax. So if you are new to Python, there is no need to afraid. It is very human friendly syntax. The only thing is that you should have a little or a good knowledge of any programming language and should have the knowledge to write the logics. How we can get the Python? Python can be downloaded from this link, that is python.org. And once we have a Python, we can have a various IDEs, that is integrated development environments, web IDEs, web environments to write the scripts. And once you will download Anaconda, Anaconda provides 12 to 13 type of IDs for Python development, and you can choose any one of it as per your compatibility, as per your knowledge. And how we can use Anaconda? Here is the link that I have provided. So go for it, download Python and start working on Python. Hope you enjoyed this session. I am looking forward for more sessions. Stay tuned. Thank you very much.